Good morning friends, today is the third day and the last day in Hanoi and 3 more days in Vietnam. चलिए breakfast करके आते हैं and then let's explore Halong Bay. So they've sent a bus for the cruise and the journey is going to be 3.5 hours. This is the Hanoi Lake. सीट्स बहुत अच्छी है ना, comfortable seats. So many two-wheelers here. I think this is a Red River. We have a charging port here also. आराम से आप चार्ज कर सकते हो. So after almost 1.5 hours, we are at a pearl farm, water body. These are the oysters, the shells I think. Long sepal oysters. So she's taking out the pearl. Halong Bay pearls. I think we pearls remove करते हैं oysters से और अंदर there is a pearl workshop. They're making pearl strings here. It's, no? Beautiful sets they have. $550 US. Pure gold and silver. Oh, from the shell you have made it. Okay. $15. Okay. Shell lamps. Huh? $20. ये भी अच्छा है. जाओ, दे स्टॉप एट अ पॉइंट जहाँ पे एक वर्कशॉप रहती है या एक शॉप रहती है एंड यू कैन बाय थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर. Along with that, they also have a cafeteria where you can sit and have your breakfast or food. They have coffee with. Place is actually very beautiful. I'll say another half an hour or 40 minutes and we'll be there. All resorts here, water park and resorts. So you can have a nice time here if you want. Many hotels are there. देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे hotels हैं. The Casta Day Cruise, Halong Bay. The cruise. So we are going up. So that's a buffet. Wow, it's so beautiful. We spend the whole day on this cruise and the lunch is included. The weather is a little foggy, so it may rain. It's cloudy actually. So let's see.
The name of the boat is La Casta. It's better if you remember the name of the boat and the number.
So that's the jacuzzi. We can use the jacuzzi also here. Going to the limestone caves, and for that we have two options, either kayaking or bamboo boats. Also go to the beach. We will either go trekking or we can swim in the sea. Hermes cruise, and they have a boat also with that, so that you to go to the beach and all. So it's so beautiful. It's raining, drizzling and थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश गिर रही है. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. I hope it was a little sunny so that we could see the limestone mountains properly, but I think जैसे हम पास पहुँचेंगे तो हमें आराम से दिखेंगे mountains. This Halong Bay limestone mountains have formed over the years, and now they are considered one of a kind, been included in UNESCO World Heritage Site, Halong Bay. When we come for the Halong Bay Cruise, we have been told that we will be going for kayaking, or we will take some boats to the islands. I've never seen such a beautiful sight.
There is a small island in the front of the boat that they call the Hương Island. The Hương is a very special island in Halong Bay that they print in Vietnamese money, 200,000 đồng.
That Dong Island, ना? अभी हम Kissing Island जा रहे हैं. Kissing Island.
On the subject to take some pictures about Kissing Island. Thank you.
कितना पास आ गए हम लोग? So now we're going down for lunch. So अब टाइम हो गया लंच का, देखते हैं क्या मिलता है. This is vegetarian. Pasta is vegetarian. इस रेस्टोरेंट में फुल वेज है. So we are going to enjoy veg food with a beautiful view back there. Noodles. Some dim sums, and this is your rice roll. Let us try out. So only vegan food. If you want a chicken or fish, you can go down and have it. It's okay. Dim sums are good. Pasta, French fries, spring rolls, chicken wings, and I think we have tofu also. Tofu is also good. Spring rolls.
Just like a citrus fruit, sweet citrus fruit.
Nice spring rolls. Nicely laid up, है ना? Fish. Crabs, oysters. Like that, हाँ, prawns. This is prawns, no? And you are coming to Hanoi, do not miss this cruise. It's a very nice cruise, and आप किसी भी होटल से बुक कर सकते हैं, and हर रेंज के क्रूज होते हैं, डे क्रूजेस, देन ओवरनाइट क्रूजेस, so you can try out that. Just have a look. इतना pleasant view है. मुझे तो लग रहा है कि अगर मैं एक दिन रहती तो I would have gone for a night cruise. I would have stayed in the cruise boat and the next day enjoyed the morning. हर एंगल से देखो इतना सुंदर लगता है. एंड आई थिंक आज थोड़ा क्लाउडी है, अगर सनी होता तो बहुत ही सुंदर लगता. इस हिसाब से इन्होंने हमें बोला हुआ है कि दे विल टेक अस टू द लाइमस्टोन आइलैंड्स एंड बोटिंग, आइदर कायाकिंग, और दे विल टेक अस बाय द स्मॉल बोट्स. And in case we have to use speedboats, then we will need to pay them extra. The food was good, so we got totally vegetarian food. और उसमें उन्होंने पूरी कोशिश की कि हमें अच्छा खाना खिलाएं. आज का खाना बहुत टेस्टी था. And all the beverages you have to pay for, and anything extra like bar you have to pay for. So we are going to reach the harbor area. Chalo! are going for the hike and some short caves, and so we are hiking up to the caves. So that's about La Casta. So those are the caves. So there are many caves in Halong Bay, and this particular cave was discovered by a French geologist in 1991. He was so surprised by the volume and the landscape of these caves that he named these caves Surprise Caves. So this cave has two chambers, and the first chamber is very spacious. It has geological pattern ceilings. There are also symbolic stalagmites, small ponds. So the second chamber is 30-meter high, and it is more immense than the first chamber. Oh my god, it's so big and beautiful. Oh, this is the biggest, I think, room. So according to our guide, this is the biggest one, and it has been opened for the tourists. So they've nicely done up the lighting portion also, so that people can see and walk around. So according to our guide, this cave is a most well preserved caves, and यहाँ पे जो limestone के पिलर्स हैं उसको काट के यहाँ के फिशरमैन ले जाते हैं, बिकॉज दे थिंक इट्स वेरी लकी फॉर देम, एंड अभी दे हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम सो दैट दे कैन नॉट टेक इट अवे. दिस इज टोटल एडवेंचर. We went there, and all these are limestone mountains. So right now we have three options. Either we can go kayaking, or we can go in the bamboo boats, or we can go in the speed boats. But our package does not include speed boat, so we are planning to go in the bamboo boats because kayaking needs change of clothes and a lot of practice. So अब हम जाएंगे bamboo boats में for a ride. Boats. So we will go for 20 minutes right now. लाइमस्टोन केव, पानी एकदम ग्रीन है यहाँ पे. He's singing a song. It's surrounded from all the sides by these limestone mountains, है ना? चारों तरफ से limestone mountains है. अभी वहाँ से देखो केव है. If you don't see that cave, ये पूरा चारों तरफ से बंद है. So now we are going back to our boat. Oh my God. Oh no. ये देखो, these are the boat markets. Those are, you know, they're living there and then they sell things also. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Cruises here, daily cruises. They bring people, then take them back by the evening. So this was our second thing we did on our cruise. Pit stop is the beach. This is the beach and we can go hiking up there, but it's raining and we have only 50 minutes left of the cruise and then we have to go back. So it will be the beach. बहुत सारी शॉप्स भी है ना शॉपिंग के लिए. अच्छा, स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम खरीद भी सकते हो यहाँ से. Island is called Tight Top Island and is named after this guy, GX Tight Top, 1935 to 2000, and this is the only island here with the beach. So this is the beach. It's beautiful actually. लाइमस्टोन माउंटेन्स हैं एंड केव्स हैं और ये बीच में एक बीच, समथिंग आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है. सो मेरे पीछे अगर आप देखें तो चारों तरफ आपको लाइमस्टोन माउंटेन्स एंड केव्स दिखेंगे और यहाँ पे देखिए एक बीच है. थ्रू आउट दिस वी डिडंट सी अ बीच एनीवेयर और ये बीच इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर स्विमिंग ऑल्सो. उसने बोला आप स्विमिंग भी कर सकते हो, बट सिंस इट्स रेनिंग मैनी पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर स्विमिंग. एंड अगर आप चाहो तो आप ट्रैकिंग पे जा सकते हो. 450 स्टेप्स हैं और उस 450 स्टेप्स पे आप के ऊपर जाके आपको बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू मिलता है हलोंग बे का. सो आई थिंक नो वन इज़ डूइंग दैट टुडे, बट हाँ बहुत सारे लोग बीच पे आए हैं टू enjoy the cool water. So those are the boats. बोट्स एक बार छोड़ के चली जाती हैं. ये हमारी बोट जा रही है और आफ्टर 50 मिनट से वापस आ जाएगी हमें लेने के लिए. The water is green in color. मुझे लग रहा है कि ये थोड़ा सैंड इन्होंने डाल के आर्टिफिशियली क्रिएट किया होगा, पता नहीं. ये छोटा सा ही बीच बट सुंदर है और यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी शॉप्स हैं जहाँ आप कॉफ़ी पी सकते हैं, जूस वगैरह, स्नैक्स एंड थोड़ी बहुत शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं, हाइकिंग कर सकते हैं ऊपर एंड थोड़ा बीच में एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. द व्यू इज़ वेरी नाइस, ब्रेथ टेकिंग व्यू. आई थिंक एक सनी डे पे बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा. सो ऑल ओवर क्रूज़ वॉज वेरी नाइस. यू मस्ट नॉट मिस इट. चाहे बारिश हो चाहे सनी हो, यू मस्ट कम हियर. So those are the changing rooms. So that's the beach and that's Halong Bay. So I hope you enjoyed this full day Halong Bay cruise vlog. Or we are going to Da Nang and Da Nang से हम सीधा जाएंगे बाना हिल्स. बाना हिल्स का पूरा ट्रिप करने के बाद हम हुए आन एंशिएंट सिटी जाएंगे और वहाँ थोड़ी बोटिंग करेंगे. So goodbye from Halong Bay. Till we meet again, keep smiling, keep enjoying life and stay connected for more such vlogs. So guys, we are right now at Da Nang. Okay, so we have to go 5,000 meters above and it's going to take us 17 minutes.
Wait. Ooh la la la.
Beautiful lamps, Koyan lamps.